Hello students, how are you all? Class 9, I hope you are all well and you are enjoying my videos, and of course you remember about the last day I was teaching you about the tense. Last topic it was running, and still last day I have given you some homework, and these are the solve of that homework, and before that days also I have given you some homework, but I want that homework from you. Last day I also told you, but okay. So without delaying our time, we will start our next English class today. Okay. Welcome back to your next English class. This is Nupur Ghosh, your English teacher. You can see the page I have written. This homework I have given the last day. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the verb given in the bracket. There in the bracket you can see one verbs are there, and you have to read the sentence and you have to give proper verb form. I have told you there are three verb forms and another also, but most of three you have to use whenever you are making tense. I hope you remember what is tense and division and subdivision. If you have forgotten, definitely go to my last videos and see those videos. Okay, so these are the homework I have done myself. Okay, see, I have given, have you ever dashed such a beautiful scene? See, you can see have you have this word is used in perfect tense. That may be present perfect, that may be past perfect, that may be future perfect, right? So it is present perfect. Have, has, have, these are present form. So with that you have to give the third form of the verb, means participle, past participle form. So I have given seen. Have you ever seen such a beautiful scene, right? Second, the moon has not yet appeared. This word was given, appear. See, this is also present perfect tense, has. So that is why I have put here the third form of the appear. Next, I have been teaching. Sorry, this is the word teach for 10 years. So 10 years I am teaching, right? So this is present perfect continuous. So here you have to put teaching also, right? I have been teaching English for 10 years, right? Next, what dash your father feel about resonance? So it was do. So it is question, you can see. So it is your father, singular number, singular third person. So that is why I have put here what does. Sure. Next, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. See, it is make. So you have to put, first of all you can understand this is a normal sentence, this is a natural sentence, normal statement, of course. So it is present indefinite tense or simple present tense. So all work and no play. So no play means there was nothing else, only all work. So all work means, of course, it is mix. The third person means mix, sorry, s or es you have to put, because it is, of course, you can see it is just like all work means a single one. So it's a only singular number, right? Next, he scratched his head and dash for a moment. Think. You can see scratch means it is past tense, past indefinite, simple past. So of course you have to put it, past tense of the verb. So I have put he scratched his head and thought for a moment. Okay, this was your last homework, and this is another practice work. This is practice work. Okay, this is practice work. You can see here I have practice work 2 I have written. See, this is work I have done it for you. You can see, choose the correct verb form from those given in the box. Here in the box you can see another pattern of this question. You can see before it was given only one verb, now it is given the answers, okay, more than one, with the full form of the verbs. You have to choose which is the right, then you have to do. Understood? See, you bought or had brought a new scooter last week. See, she has been, or is ill since or for a week. These are comma means you have to choose only one of these given answers. These are the answers. You have to only choose only one. See, similar, we finished or have finished our lunch half an hour ago. Then he jumped off the train while it ran or was running or had been running. Okay, this is one kind of question. You will get the answers or the verb forms, and you have to choose a correct one. Okay, and this is another type question. Correct the following sentences. There you can see I have written 3 sentences. You have to correct one, each and every one. There you see there is some mistakes. In my first class I told you about the editing or omission. I hope you remember. These are the examples of those. After completing of tense, you have to understand these also. Correction. See, he retired to bed before he reached there. You can see there are 2 verbs, 2 work are there. He retired and we reached. So which one is before work? We reached there means we reached there before he retired to bed. Means you can understand there is one mistake. Why mistake? What is a mistake? Both of are written in simple past tense, but both of are not there should be these lines. Not there should be this that both of the verbs are just like this. Here you see there 2 works. One is retired, another is reach. 2 verbs are there. So now you have to understand, you remember that in perfect tense, I told you in perfect tense, in past perfect tense, 2 verbs are there, 2 works are there. One verb definitely should be first and another verb definitely should be after. Means there are 2 works. One verb should be first and the verb should be after the first verb. So you have to understand here, you can see before. Means before we reach there, it is already done. So in perfect tense, one sentence I am doing for your help. You remember the last video I told, in perfect tense, past perfect tense, one should be in past perfect and another should be in past indefinite. So obviously you can see it is already in past indefinite. So it is here something is missing. So correct the following sentence. So what should we have given? He had. Obviously had, because it is past tense already. So it is past perfect and it is past indefinite. I hope you can understand. He had retired to bed before we reached there. Okay, so definitely in the next sentence, see, he left for America next week. You can understand next week means it is future, and it is left means it is past tense. So it is wrong sentence. You have to correct this sentence. Okay, you have to use or only one tense. Either it is past or it is future, but it should be in future because for America next week. Okay. Now you can understand and do it. And then the last line, she is reading since morning. You can see since. Here already I have given since and for. These words are used for perfect continuous tense. That may be in past perfect, that may be in present perfect. Of course, this is used for a duration, time period. Okay. So she is reading means you can understand it is continuous. Right, but it is already given here since means it should not be in continuous, it should not be in continuous tense, it should be used in perfect continuous tense, and it is means it is present. Okay, so please do this all. This is your homework, this is another practice work. If you can, definitely do it and send it to my comment box, and on the next day definitely I will come back with another practices work. Okay, till then please keep watching my video, and you can see the video properly, you can see the lines properly, you can pause the video to note down all the words, and please do it and send it into comment box. Okay, so wait for the next video. Till then, thank you so much and keep watching my video. Have a nice day.